Let's discuss this example. Okay, in this example we have to find volume using triple integration. What is the formula to find volume? We have very simple formula. Volume is equal to triple integration dv. Okay, so let us focus on the region. What have they mentioned? Region bounded by. What have they given? Region bounded by paraboloid z is equal to 5x square plus 5y square. I have written this thing here. So I will mention it is a paraboloid. It is a paraboloid. See, obviously it is symmetric, that means it is rotating about z-axis since z has power 1, as well as z has a positive sign, so that's why it opens in upward direction. Opens in upward direction. Okay, so I will draw that paraboloid which opens in upward direction. So paraboloid will be like this. Paraboloid means a region obtained by rotating a parabola about a particular axis. So if you rotate this parabola about z axis, so we will have paraboloid like this. Okay, so see, second curve, second surface, that is also z is equal to 6 minus x square minus y square. But see, you know that square cannot be negative. So for that, x square and y square I will shift on this side and I will shift z on that side. So that is x square plus y square is equal to 6 minus z. Again, it is a paraboloid. Since z has power 1 and x and y, both of them have power 2. So that's why this is a paraboloid which is rotating about again z axis. See, but here z has minus sign. So that's why this paraboloid opens in downward direction. So paraboloid opens in downward direction. So paraboloid will be like this. See, we have these two paraboloids. Obviously, these two paraboloids will intersect each other at a curve. So that will be a circle. In a circle, they will intersect to each other. Okay. So you know that when we have paraboloids, when we have cylinder, when we have cone, we convert a problem into cylindrical coordinate system. In this example also I will do the same. So let us write, to convert problem, I will mention all these things. To convert problem into cylindrical coordinate system, cylindrical coordinate system, we put, you remember what we put in to convert a problem into cylindrical coordinate system? We put x is equal to r cos theta, we put y is equal to r sin theta, and z is equal to z, and obviously dx dy dz is equal to r dz dr d theta. See, after substitution, our first task is to convert given surfaces into cylindrical coordinate system. But see, there is no more space to write, so I suggest you to make a screenshot of it. So let us convert equations of given surfaces into cylindrical coordinate system. See, we have z is equal to 5x square plus 5y square. We write z as it is 5. X square means r square cos square theta. Y square means r square sin square theta. So what will happen? We can take 5r square common. So if you take 5r square common, in bracket we will have cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1. So that's why it is 5r square. So this is equation of one paraboloid. I will write here. This is equation of z is equal to 5r square. Okay. So let us convert second equation, second surface, into cylindrical coordinate system. We have, what is the second surface we have? x square z is equal to 6 minus x square minus y square. So you know that we write z as it is here. So this is equal to 6 minus r square cos square theta minus r square sin square theta. See, from last two terms, we can take minus r square common. So we will have cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1. So therefore, this is 6 minus r square. So z is equal to 6 minus r square. So this is the second paraboloid. Okay, z is equal to 6 minus r square. After that, what will we do? We will find the curve of intersection. What we do? How we find curve of intersection? We put one equation into second equation. So by solving, we will have curve of intersection. I will mention to find curve of intersection. We will put one equation, that is z is equal to 5r square. In second equation, z is equal to 6 minus r square. So therefore, I am putting z is equal to 5r square here. 5r square is equal to 6 minus r square. So that r square I will take on this side. So r square plus 5r square, 6r square, which is equal to 6. 6 will get cancelled from both sides. So r square is equal to 1. So therefore, r is equal to 1. So see, this is equation of circle. You know that the curve of intersection is a circle. So we get its equation r is equal to 1. So it's a circle with center origin, not origin exactly, okay, above the origin, but circle will be parallel to xy plane and having radius 1. Okay, so after that we will go for limits, but before that I suggest you to make a screenshot of it. Let us think about limits. First we find limits of z, then limits of r, and at the end limits of theta. See, here in cylindrical coordinate system we have a strip parallel to z-axis. Okay, so as you can see here, strip is bounded below by paraboloid which opens in upward direction. So whose equation is z is equal to 5r square. The strip is bounded above by a paraboloid which opens in downward direction, whose equation is z is equal to 6 minus r square. Okay, so r, limits of r. So here we have a circle having radius 1. So r varies from 0 to 1. And theta, we have to cover a complete region. So that's why we should move by 360 degrees. So theta should vary from 0 to 2 pi. So then we'll find volume. Inner integration with respect to z, 5r square to 6 minus r square. Next 0 to 1 and 0 to 2 pi. So r dz dr d theta. So dv means dx dy dz, but we have converted problem into cylindrical coordinate system, so we supposed to write this one. See, here limits are not constants, so there are variables, r is involved, so that's why we cannot take separate integration. We have to go step by step. Let me remove this diagram, it is not required now, so we will have more space to solve this integration. This is equal to integration 0 to 2 pi, integration 0 to 1. R is constant since we are integrating with respect to z. Integration of dz is z only, 5r square, and here 6 minus r square dr d theta. So this is equal to integration 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 1 r. I am putting upper limit first, which is 6 minus r square. Lower limit is 5r square dr d theta. So we can easily solve it further, getting integration 0 to 2 pi, integration 0 to 1. So 6 minus, see, r is there, 6 minus r square minus 5r square, that means minus 6r square dr d theta. See, 6 we can take common and it is a constant, so you can directly take outside the integration. So 6 will come outside, 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 1. So I will multiply it every term by r minus r cube, dr d theta. Let us integrate with respect to r now. Integration of r is r square by 2. Integration of r cube is r raised to 4 by 4 with limit 0 to 1 d theta. 6, 0 to 2 pi. I am putting upper limit first. So if I put upper limit 1, so we will have 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. And if you put 0 lower limit, then we will have 0. So I will not write it. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, which is 1 by 4. But it is a constant, so we can take outside the integration. Integration of d theta is theta with limit 0 to 2 pi. What will happen? This 2 will get cancelled. 3 by 2 into 2 pi. If you put lower limit 0, we will have 0. So 2 will get cancelled and we will have here 3 pi. Cubic units I need to mention since we are finding volume. So that's why required answer is 3 pi cubic units. You can make a screenshot of it. After that we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.